Ugh, pet hair. It's everywhere. I love my Poffy so much, but sometimes her fur just takes over the whole house. That's why I started using the Airdog P50, and honestly, it changed everything. It cleans the air so fast, and I can even track the air quality right from the app. Look at this old HEPA filter. Gross, right? And guess what? The Airdog doesn't need replacements. Its filter is washable and reusable, saving hundreds every year and keeping waste out of the landfill. Each part is easy to remove and clean, super practical for pet owners like me. And now, Poffy's happy, relaxed, and breathing fresh air again. Cleaner air, happier pets, and a much happier home. Link in bio.